Hi there, I hope you're keeping well and looking forward to the festive season ahead. I just wanted to use this opportunity first of all to say thank you for your support over the last year for those of you who've used my services, and I'm grateful to have had the opportunity to play a role in your recovery. Secondly, whilst I realise it's been a difficult year for many, we have been fortunate to see a number of our freedoms returned as some resemblance of normal has attempted to ensue whilst COVID rumbles on. With the current resurgence in infection rates though, I just wanted to point out that one thing that hasn't changed and will remain consistent, and that's the level of infection control and deep cleaning that occurs here in clinic. To reassure you, every effort will continue to be made to make it as safe an environment as possible, enabling you to be fully focused on your sole purpose for the visit, which is your recovery. That leads me nicely to say that should you require some treatment over the Christmas period, there are still 1 or 2 slots available on the 23rd and 30th of December. Otherwise, I'll be back here again in the new year from Tuesday the 4th of January onwards. So if you'd like to book an appointment around then, be sure to keep an eye out on the slots available on my online booking system, as the first weeks of January tend to fill up quite fast. Finally, for those who are newer to my services, you may or may not be aware that over the last few years I've created a number of bite-sized self-help videos on various issues commonly seen in clinic. They were a weekly occurrence up until a few months ago when I had to take a pause on making them due to time constraints and other priorities. There are, however, 75 episodes available for you to have a look through, which make up the back catalogue, ranging from frozen shoulder to sports injuries, arthritis to headaches, and just about everything in between. These can be found on my YouTube channel under the NCTV playlist, and you're effectively getting a value add for my clients, initially just to help through the first COVID lockdown last year, 2020. There's definitely something for everyone in there, so be sure to go through them and find what might be relevant to you. You never know, it just might help. All that's left to say is I hope you have a great Christmas, and here's to a happy and healthy 2022. Bye for now.